Right there?
Yeah.
Just a pad.
So
we go with 6? Or is that 9?
That's a 9, yeah. Right now, can everybody listen up? Right now, there's nothing holding this thing from shifting side to side because the ropes are all off and it's just balanced on these posts. So we're gonna have to steady it for the time being until we get the outwales in here, which I'm gonna get right now. Okay, if this one's in place, we can push it down. Yeah, and that's push. How far down it has to go? Now this has to be just flush with the in-whale on the top.
Right there.
Drive it off. Okay, as flush as you can with that, and then tap it the rest of the way with this.
Ready. So then once you get really tight under here, then you go right under there. Taking your job, Steve.
Good.
Yeah, good.
That'll be good. Wow. Okay. That'll be good for you.
First one will end up with 3. The last one will end up with 4.
You ready to lash that rolling? Yeah. I gotta make it open. Tight, and then you can pull that into it.
I pull him, I'll probably break it.
Okay, good.
All right.